Okay, let me go through the screen here. It has, up here is the location, the X, Y, and Z. Um, Controls, we could trigger where you had to close the door to make it work. E-stop would trigger if that got triggered. The feed, it tells you what the feed rate is as it's moving. The tool, it's just a flat end mill because that's just programmed in. We just told it to do that. The spindle speed is not being controlled by this, so it never really shows anything. That's the machine home position. This, when it's at 0, 0, 0, is the fixture home position. And this, of course, is the G code. And there'll be more about G code in the class. Down here you have the cycle start. You can stop it in the middle from the keyboard. You can load the file. You can actually get in and change text. The G code is just plain text. And if I wanted to change the position of perhaps of where on the tool path it went, if I wanted to move that line in, I could simply go in and just type in a different number. Jog, you saw how I did that. Program running, that's how to run it. Setup is all of the other control features that come into play. For example, those inputs are some stuff that can be read, but this allows you to do all that setup that you did. It's actually quite simple. There's still some improvements that need to be made on this. We could set up a better system for setting our home sensors. We could run some different programs, some stuff could be drawn. This control panel could be set up so that we're not running it off of a computer off the side. In other words, mount that monitor into the position up there. We've already got a nice place for the keyboard to live. We can run this off a joystick, good old fashioned joystick. The problem is that the connectors don't match, and so somebody would have to adjust the connectors. So if you are looking for a senior project, completing this and a couple of other little things like that would be a great senior project.